Okay, so 32 and 5.2 is a nice thing about money. So over here, we have a $5,000 investment, and it's earning 7.2% annual interest. Right? Someplace else, we have a $8,000 investment, and that one's earning 5.4% annually. You guys see this? And then they're asking, when will the smaller investment catch up to the larger investment? Okay, so how about this? On this one, we'll call this one, what, smaller, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to write smaller as a function of time, right? And how do I get the amount in the smaller investment? What is that?
5,000 times 1.072.
Okay, so it's 5,000 bucks, right? That's your starting amount. And then there should be something raised to the t. 1 plus 0.072.
That's that it equals to the equation.
Okay, so that's S, right? And then L of t, right, is 8,000 and 1.054 raised to the t. And then when are they the same? Yeah, so they're the same when they're equal, right? So take S of t, set it equal to L of t. Of course, those names aren't going to do you any good, right? You really want the formulas. So you'll want 5,000, oops, not E, times 1.072 raised to the t, and that should equal 8,000, 1.054 raised to the t. Cool. And then solving. Can I trust you guys to solving?
Just solve it.
Okay. Yeah, so there's t's on both sides, right? Okay. So what?
Knock the zeros off first.
Okay, first things first, slash some zeros. So multiply by 1 over 1,000. So you get 5 times 1.072 to the t is 8 times 1.054 to the t. Then what?
You multiply both sides.
Yeah, you could divide one of these things to the other side. That would be fine. You could just log both sides as they sit. Whatevs. Let's try something else. So usually I would just log both sides, right? I think that's what I've demonstrated to you guys. So let's do something else. Let's just divide both sides by, I don't know, this one. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 1 over 5 times 1.072 to the t. This doesn't on its face seem like a good idea at all, right? So I got 1, right, equals 8/5, and then 1.054 over 1.072, all that crap to the t. You guys with me on this? Like I used a little exponent rule and combined some, like I sort of grouped things, but everybody's cool with my arithmetic there. Okay, so then what? I still need the frickin' t down, right?
Oh, now you can divide by.
So I gotta log it somehow. I'm gonna log it because I'm doing money, right? So I'm gonna log this down.
Wouldn't it be easier to take the 8/5 and put it on the other side first before you log it?
Nah, whatever.
Okay.
I'm doing it this way. So I got log of 1 equals log of 8/5 times 1.054 over 1.072 to the t. Right? What's log of 0? Or, crap. what I meant.
Log of 1.
Yeah. A Freudian slip there, right? Log of 1 is
0.
0. And then what do you want to do with the right-hand side?
Split it.
Don't try to put it in a calculator. You need to
Split it.
split it to get the t down, right? Like, I want the t off it here, but this thing doesn't, this 8/5 in there doesn't have a t on it. So I'm going to use the log rule to break that 8/5 out. So I'm going to hit both sides with the log, or that side with the log rule. So I'm going to have 0 is log of 8/5 plus log of, I'm getting really tired of writing this stupid number, 1.054 divided by 1.072 to the t.
You can write it one more time.
What's that?
You can write it one more time.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so what do I need to do now? Yeah, I gotta pull the t down, right? And I gotta move this log of 8/5 to the other side, right? Okay, so I'm gonna log rule and subtract log of 8/5. So I got minus log of 8/5 is t log of whatever that shit was. Cool? Okay, then what?
Then you take solace in the fact that dedicated your life to this.
Yeah. I think I'm going to take solace in the fact that I know that log of that shit is a number, right? Specifically not 0, so I can, what? Why do I care that number's not 0? Because I want the t by itself, right?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? Yeah, you're going to divide by that crap, right? It would be bad if that was 0, because I'm going to divide both sides by it. So run over here, divide by log of crap. Get t is minus log of 8/5 over log of 1.054 divided by 1.072. Call that a day. If you want an approximation, you cram all this crap in a calculator, being extremely careful about what? Parentheses. Cool? Questions, Steele? No? Okay. This was not, in my opinion, the optimal strategy to solve this thing, but it is a strategy to solve.
That's better with than what it's really weird to look at.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have no idea.